If you're a Studio Ghibli fan like me and love customizing your phone with stunning wallpapers, today's video is perfect for you. I'll be showing you how to get the best Studio Ghibli wallpapers for your Android device using the Zedge app. We're talking Totoro, Spirited Away, Howl's Moving Castle, and so much more. Let's jump in. So, first things first, if you don't already have the Zedge app on your Android phone, go ahead and download it from the Google Play Store. I have already downloaded it, but I will show you what it looks like. So it's this one here in particular. So download that first. It's totally free and it's one of the best apps for customizing your phone with everything from ringtones to wallpapers. But today we're all about those Studio Ghibli wallpapers. So let's open the app. What you want to do is you want to type in Studio Ghibli Wallpaper Android or just Studio Ghibli. You can see I've already searched it here. And it gives you different categories. So you have wallpapers, video wallpapers, ringtones, notification sounds, and collections. We're going to go in to wallpapers. As you can see, there are so many beautiful wallpapers to choose from. Whether you want a cute Studio Ghibli wallpaper, a vintage Ghibli background, or even a common Ghibli landscape wallpaper, Zedge has you covered. When you find the perfect wallpaper, just tap on it and you'll have the option to set it as your home screen, lock screen, or both. So I can just set for my lock screen. There will be ads, just cancel out of them, and you can see that the wallpaper has been updated for my lock screen. Sometimes you do have to watch the ads. This is the price that you pay for it to be a free, and that's basically all there is to it.